Hello, I'm your math teacher, Jason Smith. I've got a lot of questions about this problem, functions basic, problem 4. Estimate h of 1.2 to the nearest foot. I've got a number of questions asking, okay, how do I create a function that models this data? That's the wrong way of going about this problem because just because you find a model, you won't know if it's necessarily the right one that was used for this data. There's so many different ways you could model this data, we just don't know. So going about it that way isn't going to work. The way to do it is to estimate, and I'll just show you how to do that, how to analyze the data and estimate it to find the answer. Right, find and estimate an estimated answer. Okay. All right, so the way that I like to go about modeling this data personally is with a vertical table instead of horizontal. Let's say we got t, h of t. Okay, so we're told that we're in the data h of 1.0 is 84, and h of 1.25 is 75. Okay, now the amount of time elapsed from 1 second to 1.25 seconds is 0.25 seconds, right? So the amount of time from 1 second to 1.25, the time elapsed is 0.25. The amount of whole numbers between 84 and 75 is 9. 84 minus 75 is 9. So basically what I'm going to do, let's see, let's count down the whole numbers here. Let's say 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75. Okay, so we don't really know how this all, what time, h of what time gives you 83, h of what time gives you 82, but we can estimate it using the fact that there are 9 of these whole numbers here. And the time elapsed is 0.25. So we're going to divide 0.25 by 9. This will tell us how much more time elapsed to get from 1 second to this time, from this time to this time, from this time to this time on average. Okay, 0.25 divided by 9 is roughly estimated at 0.028. Okay, so that means that we're going to allot 0.028 seconds, more seconds to get from 1 second to this time, from this time to this time. Okay, so 1 plus 0.028 is 1.028. All right, so at the time 1.028, the height is 83. All right, now 1.028 plus 0.028 is 1.056. Okay, 1.056 plus 0.028 is 1.084. Continuing this way, adding 0.028 to this number, I get 1.112. Adding 0.028 to this number, 1.14. And continuing this way, 1.1 168, 1.196, 1.224. Okay, so 1.2, right? The number 1.2 is in between these two numbers here, right? And we're supposed to estimate to the nearest foot. So 1.196, this is really close, right? This is really close to 1.2. So the nearest foot is going to be 77. This is your answer. Don't hesitate to email me and ask me questions about this video or about how I've solved this problem. Have a good one.